Hi everybody, today I will show you Yoast SEO WordPress Plugin tutorial. So let's just begin. Alright, so first of all what we need to do, we have to go inside the plugins and click on the add new plugin, and here we have to install Yoast plugin. Alright, so here you can see at the top of the search we have Yoast SEO, so we have to install this. Now we have to activate this. And now what we have to do, we have to configure this for the first time. Alright. So here in the configuration, the first thing that we have is SEO data optimization. So after that, we have site representation. So in the site representation, you can add your details here. You have your website name, you have the organization name, and then organization logo. Okay. So I think this is not an organization. This is a person here. So we can select a person from here. All right. And after this, we can simply click on save and continue. And after that, we have the social profiles. So if you do have the social profiles on your WordPress, or you have already added the social profiles on your user profile, you can simply add this from here. But right now, I'm going to simply click on save and continue. And after that, we have personal preferences. So in the personal preferences, we can get free weekly SEO tips, but we need to add our email here. So if you want to have those SEO tips on your email, you can simply add your email here. And after that, we can give an option to the Yoast to collect our data, site data or not. So if you want to give access to the Yoast to collect your site data, you can choose this. But if you don't want to share your site data, you can simply click on no here. But I'm going to go here with yes, because that will help to enhance our SEO on our website. So let's click on save and continue. So after that, we have to finish our configuration. So I'm going to simply click on go to our SEO dashboard. So the first thing you're going to see here is the problems that you have on your website. So if you do have any problems from the SEO perspective on your website, here the Yoast can list them out for you. And after that, you're going to have the notifications. And after that, we have the settings here. So now we're going to simply jump into the settings from here. And you can even go to the settings from here as well. So you can see here, you can simply go inside the SEO settings, and from here you can access all the options that you can see in the sidebar. Okay. So now in the settings, what do we have? We have the couple of different sections. So we have the journal settings, we have the content type, and after that we have category and text, and then we have advanced settings. So in the site features, you have SEO analysis that I have already enabled. Then you have readability analysis that is already enabled. Then we have inclusive language analysis. So if you want to enable this, you can simply enable this from here. And after that, we have the option of Yoast AI, which is actually the part of premium version of the Yoast SEO. And after that, we have the insight. So we're going to get more insight whatever we are writing on our website on the articles. And after that, we have the site structures. And after that, we have the social sharing. And in the last, we have admin bar menu. Okay, and you can also see the APIs here as well. So now I'm going to go into the site basics. So in the site basics, you will actually have the basic information about your website. So the first thing that we have is the website name. Then if you want to give any alternative name to your website, you can simply write it down there. And after this, we have the tagline, we have the title separator, we have the site image. So if you want to add any site image, you can simply add this from here. And after that, we have site preferences. And after that, we have site policies, but which is actually the part of premium version. So now we're going to go into site representation. So in the site representation, we have this either our website is an organization or a person. So we can simply choose the data from here. And after that, we have the personal info. Then after that, we can go inside site connection. And from here, you can actually add the search engine analysis tools from here. So if you want to add the Google Search Console, you can simply add this from here. And similarly, you can also add the other tools as well. Okay. And after this, we have the content types. So in the content types, we have the homepage, we have the posts, we have the pages, we have Elementor header and footer builder, then we have plotting elements, then we have Royal Mega menu, then we have Royal templates. I'm seeing these options because of my installed plugins. Okay, so maybe you won't be able to see the last options. So right now, let's click on the post. So in the post, you can see here we have the search appearance, and here we have the SEO title. So in the SEO title, we would have the title, then we have the page, then we have the separator, then we have the site title. But if you want to insert a new variable here, you can simply insert it from here. Okay, but I don't want to insert any variable here. And after that, we have the meta description. So if you want to add any default meta description here, you can simply add this, and you can also insert the variable into this. Okay, and after that, we have the schema and we have the additional settings. Now we're going to explore the pages as well. So in the pages, we are having the similar kind of options here. So we have the search appearance to show the pages in the search results. So we have to enable them. Okay, similarly, and also in the post, we have to enable the search appearance to show our posts in the search results. Because if you disable this from here, the search engines won't be able to show our post into the search engines. And after that, we have Elementor, header, and the footer. So we are having the similar kind of options here. So now we're going to go inside categories and tags. I'm going to simply click on the categories here. So in the categories, if you want to have the categories into the search engine, you will need to enable this from here. And after that, we have the SEO titles. And after that, we have the meta description. And then we have the social media appearance. But obviously, this is the part of premium version. Similarly, we have the tags, and you will be able to see the same kind of options in the tags as well. And after that, we have the advanced settings. Okay, so in the advanced settings, we have the crawl optimization. So in the crawl optimization, we can remove the unwanted metadata. So if you wanted to remove any unwanted metadata from your head element, you can simply do this from here. And you can see here that we have a lot of the different options here. And after that, we have the breadcrumbs. So if you want to have the breadcrumb on your website, breadcrumbs are simply the anchor text. So if you want to have them, you can simply set the values from here. So the first thing that we have is the separator between the different breadcrumbs. And after that, we have the enter text for the homepage. So you can simply change the anchor text for the homepage if you want to. And after that, we have the prefix for the breadcrumb path. So if you want to add any prefix here, you can simply do this. And after that, we have the prefix for the archive, and then we have the prefix for the search page breadcrumbs. And after that, we have the breadcrumb for 404 page. Okay, and if you want to bold the last page, you can simply enable this from here. So I'm going to simply bold this. So after that, we have the breadcrumb for the post types. So here you need to choose a taxonomy on which you want to show your post here. So you can see here we have the categories, we have the formats, and we have the tags. And after that, we have the breadcrumbs for the taxonomies. So in here, we have the categories, and after that, we have the format, and then we have the tags. All right. And after that, we have the author archives. So in the author archive, so if you want to enable that, you can simply enable this from here. And if you want to show the author archives in the search results, you need to enable this from here. And then you can insert the variables into the SEO titles if you want to. Similarly, the meta description. Then we have the format archives, then we have the spatial pages and the media pages and RSS. Okay, so now we have to do one thing here, that I'm going to go inside the post and click on the all posts. Okay, so first of all, I have to save the changes here. Now let's go inside the all posts. Okay, so now I'm going to go inside any of these articles here. So let's click on this one. And here, when you scroll down, you'll be able to see all the Yoast settings for this article. Okay, and it will actually give you all the reports, whether you have the right SEO on your article, whether your article is readable or not. And after that, it can show you how your article is going to be previewed on the mobile result and also on the desktop result. And after that, you can see here we have the SEO title. So this is going to show you the score of your SEO title. And after this, you have the slug here. Then we have the meta description. Then we have the SEO analysis. So this is a kind of a main thing here, that it is going to tell you all the important problems that you need to fix on your article. So as you can see here, we don't have any outbound links appear on this page, and we don't have any internal links, and we don't have any focus key phrase. And after that, we don't have any meta description, and then we have the text length that is pretty low. And after that, we have these improvements. So you can simply improve these sections if you wanted to. And then it will also tell you the good things about your article, that you have the images and you have the SEO title width. And after that, we have premium SEO analysis, which is actually the part of pro version. And then we have cornerstone content. And after that, we have advanced settings. And after that, we have the insights. And now by reading all the reports, you can actually improve your article to make it more SEO optimized and more readable. So now we're going to go inside the readability. Okay, so in the readability, we don't have any issue here. Only the issue that we have is on the word complexity. Other than that, we are having the good results here. Okay, and after that, we have the schema here, and then we have the social media appears, which is actually the part of pro version. But this is how you can actually get the SEO report on your article. So this is how you can use Yoast SEO plugin in WordPress. If you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.